So this is the beginning of the boardwalk to the Ashtabula train wreck site. I got my snowshoes on. The road's over there. There's no place to park, so I parked up in a parking lot up there near the hospital. Now, it's less than half a mile, so it should be pretty easy, I hope. It looks like 2 to 3 feet of snow on the bridge. My guess is closer to 3 feet, but not quite. After walking across the boardwalk bridge, then looks like the trail picks up here and follows the Ashtabula River to where the bridge was. Still hearing trains. It's about a 75 feet drop from the track down to the river. At least that's what it was then. I assume they haven't tried to alter the terrain that much, so. But it's not an iron bridge, it's a whole lot of concrete. So that's where the train crashed, and the front engine made it all the way across, and the second engine and the 11 other cars all crashed down into the bottom. And 92 people died there, mostly from the fire. Well, I don't know. Some of them probably died in the actual fall down there, and then the fire killed a lot of them, and a lot of them were not able to be identified. So they landed in ice and snow, and train caught on fire from the kerosene heaters, it's been said, that were used to heat the passenger cars. It was 160 people on board and 92 were killed. The bridge is nice and wide, so I don't have to worry about the trains if they show up. But there's the rails they're running on. You see the snow is higher than the rails. So that's the way the train came from that wrecked, and over there approximately is where the old bridge collapsed. Alright, looking down on the river. Yes, those red lights are way further. That must be for a crossing of a road down there. And that's the other side of the river, the south side. There's 3 sets of tracks. I don't know if you can see the hospital through there, maybe a little bit. Snow over here is even deeper compared to the rails. But apparently trains don't have a problem with it. That's a little better view of, I guess that's older section of hospital and newer section of hospital, or maybe they're 2 different things, I don't know. But this is from the bridge, the new and better bridge. There's the river there running into the bridge, and I'm gonna guess that a lot of the land there was built up, that it wasn't originally a a nice mound like that to build a bridge across. This is the Ashtabula River flowing north towards Lake Erie. This is where 92 people died, December 29th, 1876.